Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto telo ne nyasi masidho kurutu maloyo 10,000 mag NYS ka tiegruok margi mayudore Gilgil. Piny owacho dhi keto koke winjruok maromo 12 kaka okang' mar tiego jo NYS. Waluwa ne chenro no achiel kachiel.
The National Employment Authority is partnering with the National Youth Service to provide jobs for these young people to go out there and get jobs abroad. As we speak, we've just deployed for the first batch of 40 service and men and women who are going to the UK for readily available jobs in the UK. And we have agreed with the State Department for Labour that we are going to have 50% of everybody going to work out there coming from the job and the labor provider number 1, which is the National Youth Service.
Sema ya kwamba ili kutumia NYS as an incubator, the National Security Council has decided that going forward, all security recruitment, 80% of all security recruitment will be from the National Youth Service. Wale vijana wote sasa tumeamua kama baraza la usalama katika taifa la Kenya kwamba wale wote watakaoajiriwa kwa jeshi la Kenya, kwa polisi wa Kenya, Kenya Forest Service, Kenya Wildlife Service, 80% watakuwa hawa vijana ambao wamefuzu kutoka National Youth Service.